Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 144. The average of A and B is negative 1/2. The average of B and C is 1/2. The average of C and A is 2. What is the average of A, B, and C? So let's write down the given informations. So we have the average of A and B, mean A and B divided by 2, that is equal, is mean equal. Average of A and B is A plus B divided by 2, okay, negative 1/2. Now average of B and C, same thing, B plus C divided by 2, that is equal 1/2. Now average of C and A, C plus A divided by 2 is 2. Now simplify this one so that we have a nicer relationship between A, B, and C. So first equation, I multiply both sides by 2. I can cancel that. I have my A plus B that equal negative 1. It's nice and short. Okay, do the same with the second equation so that I can cancel the denominator. Now I have my B plus C that equal 1. Now I have my A plus C. I multiply both sides by 2. I cancel this one. I have my A plus C, or C plus A is the same, equal 4. Now what is the questions asking? They're asking the average of A, B, and C, which is mean what is A plus B plus C divided by 3 equal to. So we can use the system of equation to solve for A, solve for B, then solve for C, and then add them all up, then divide by 3, then we have the answer. But we have another method that is more helpful. You kind of like realize that we have A here and A here. You have 2A, you have B here and B here. You have 2B, you have C here and C here. You have 2C. So because of the coefficients is all the same, so it's easy to reduce that by half, and then you will have something represent the sum of A plus B plus C. So let's add the left hand side together, the right hand side together. Then you will have 2A plus 2B plus 2C that equal 4, because negative 1 and 1 is gone. Okay, so now if you reduce by factor of 2, you will have your A plus B plus C that equal 2. So as you know that on the top you have 2, open parenthesis, A plus B plus C. That 2 cancel. That's why you have A plus B plus C equal 2. So this is the part we need, right? So now we plug in. Because of the part A plus B plus C equal 2, so the answer will be 2/3. The correct answer is B. You can find the other way, like using the system of equations. Okay, so we have the first equation here, the second, and the third right here. Okay, you can use it. So I take my first equations, subtract the second one. That will be A. Okay, we have B minus B is gone. B right here minus B is gone. Okay, so A minus C, that equal -1 minus 1 is -2. Now look at number 3, the equation number 3, that is A plus C is equal 4. So you can add that two together. You will have A plus A is 2A, that equal -2 at 4 is 2. Negative C at C is 0. It's already gone. So we divide both sides by 2. We have A is equal 1. Okay. Now A equal 1. We plug back in these equations. We will have 1 minus C that equal -2. Now we will add 2 both sides, and then we add C both sides. This gone. We have C equal 3. Okay, when we have C equal 3, how can we find B? We can use the first equations to solve for B, because A plus B equal -1, so A is 1 plus B equal -1. Now we subtract 1 both sides. Okay, we have B equal -2. Then now we have to solve for the questions, right? We plug in. We have A is 1 plus B is -2, so it's the same thing as -2. And then we add C is at 3. All divided by 3. 1 minus 2 is -1. At 3 is 2 over 3. Basically, if you do the first way like this, it's kind of save time compared to solving for the system of equations by solving for A, B, and C and then add them up. So it will save you a lot of time and effort. But whatever way you feel confident to work with, go ahead and do it. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.